Hello, my name is Ruth Grigg from Dyslexia Services. And so today I wanted to share an activity you can do with your child to help them with their spelling and writing. It's called Write It, and it's a really good following activity from Switch It, but you can do this activity on its own as well. So in my last video, we were working on the long E sound. So I thought I could try and demonstrate Write It with the long E sound. So what your child would really need, or they can use just plain paper, they don't have to have a whiteboard, but whiteboards are really much better for this particular activity, and they're not very expensive. So you need a whiteboard, pen, something to rub it off with. So let me demonstrate how this goes. So in the last one, we were doing the long E sounds, as I was saying. So you ask the child, your child, to write the word bee with a long E sound on the board, but the insect bee. So it's like this. They do a B, E. Now, if they only put one E on, you encourage them, say, is there another letter that needs to go there? But E. Hopefully, they will put another E on there. So they say the sounds as they're writing them, B, E. And then you ask them to rub it off and say the sounds as they rub it off. So it's B, E, because that's one sound. 2 letters, 1 sound. So brilliant. Ask them to try the word tree, tree. So they need to hear the sounds T, R, E. So hopefully they'll do this. T, R, E, E, tr, E. They might miss that letter off again, so you encourage them. Is there a letter missing? What is it? Okay. And then again, rub it off. T, R, E. This is an excellent way of helping children to learn spelling, especially if they're in some kind of letter patterns. So we've done tree, B, we could do C. Ask them to do this, the sounds as they write it. I can see you. See. So they've got E. And you can change the letter patterns. You could do EA. You can do any letter patterns as long as they say, write it and say the sounds, then rub it off, say the sounds. E. Now this doesn't just work with, you know, the first words and the first sounds. This can work with more complicated words. This can work with words that have 2 syllables. So this can work with any stage or any level, and it reinforces sounds, spelling, letter patterns. So I hope you found that useful. If you like this video, if you found this useful, please try it at home, and please let me know how you get on with it. If you like this video also, please could you give me a like, send me a message or comment. I appreciate you listening. Thank you very much.